Welcome back to English class. Yes, dear student. First of all, here I am welcoming to you all. Yes, for this English class. In today's class, we are going to learn a sweet poem. Okay, which is from section C. And name of the poem is Tumai of the Elephant. Tumai of the Elephant. What is mean of Tumai? Yes, I will tell you. So, which is written by Rudyard Kipling. Yes, Rudyard Kipling. Who is he? Rudyard Kipling. He is very famous Nobel Prize winner. He written the Jungle Book. You know Mowgli. Yes. Now you are watching the video or cartoon. Yes. So Mowgli. So this also written by Rudyard Kipling. He is author, famous author. He have written the Jungle Book. Okay. So here also this is one of the nice poem from him. Here Tumai. First we have to see what is the meaning of Tumai. It is called to the master. Yes, master of elephant. Master of elephant. So we are calling it Tumai. Got it? So why master? There is need of master, yes or no? Yes, to guide him. Yes, otherwise they will not behave properly. So, see, when they are just growing up, yes, so these masters, they are giving them training. Yes, how to do and what to do. Yes, these all trainings they are getting from their master. So, here Tumai, here one person, yes, a character, one person is there and this character they given name as a Tumai. Got it? So, as well, everybody likes elephant, yes or no? But their life is too much critical, too much painful life. Do you know? No. Yes. So some of you does not know that yes, their life is too much critical, too much danger. They have to just pass their journey through painful. Okay. Now here I will explain you. Warm up activity, what they told, you see here. So, open page number 17, you can see here, yes, Tumai of Elephant poem. Now, here I will read, just take a pencil, write down the difficult words and its meaning, underline it and meaning just write there only. Now, see, we enjoy riding on elephant. How are these elephants trained to carry us or other load on their backs? Okay, backs means what here? We enjoy the riding of elephant. Yes, we enjoy. Yes, nowadays we can't see this. But here, before previous days, we have seen the elephant ride also. We took. And you know that how they are getting the training? Yes, no. There was very painful training. So, here see. How? So, see here. While baby elephant are separated from their mother. See, very danger. See, see baby elephant, small baby elephant, they are separating from their mother and what they are doing, see, and a baby elephant is tied between 2-3 trunks where it is not able to move and see here, very bad. See this small and the child elephant, baby elephant, what they are doing? They are tying it very tightly like they can't move here and there. To where they are tying it? Yes, stem of the tree, like trunks, you know, stem of the tree. So they can't move. The trainer beats it with a bull hook and speaks to it in a calm voice at the same time. It is not allowed to have food or water. See, the trainer, yes, trainer, master of this elephant, what they are doing? Yes, they are just giving them training. While giving them training, they are beating. Yes, they are beating with how? With a hook. See, bull hook. Big iron hook was there and they are beating with it. And even with beating, they are speaking very calmly, nicely. Why? Because both, yes, they are applying good thing also, bad thing with them. And it is not allowed to have food or water. Even they don't have allowed to eat food or water. That baby elephant, see how bad. Out of fear, hunger and thirst, the calf stopped fighting to break free from its restraints. What happened? See, so out of fear, because they are not getting food, these masters are beating to them. So this calf, what they are doing? See, calf means baby elephant. What they are doing? They are stopping, just fighting, even to try to break the chain. See, they are putting the chain, yes, around their legs, and they are tying to the big rod. Got it? So very tightly they are tying. So they are because of the fear, this baby elephant, they are stopped. They are fighting, and its restraint means freedom from bondage. Okay, means they are just in captive, and they are not trying to free them. It is then allowed to take a bath in a river and give some food. Then when they will stop, when they calm, what they will do? See, this master or this trainee, they are allowing them to take a bath in the river, and even they are providing some food. During this ordeal, it is tied with another domesticated elephant. And see, during this ordeal means what? Trouble. During this trouble, what they are doing? They are tying this baby elephant with the domesticated elephant. Means wild animals, they are different. Yes or no? So they are wild. Yes, too much wild. So what they are doing? They are tying with domestic elephant. The training procedure is very painful, mentally as well as physically. Many die in this process, and this training process is very bad, very dangerous. Yes, very dangerous and very painful. So some of the small or baby elephant, they many times they are dying in this process. So this training is physically as well as mentally too much very bad and painful. So even they are giving the training under to go through painful way. So what they are doing? See, this whole journey of them, they are just going from the painful way. Means their journey was very painful. So here in this poem, what they told, how animals are trained to carry people or heavy load on them. Okay. So here in this poem, they told us how the animal they are trained, how they are giving the training to carry the people or to carry the heavy load on their back. So here one elephant is there, and this elephant, yes, you can see in captivity. Captivity means he just binded with this, he just bound with this iron chain. Yes or no? So when he was in captivity, he was thinking. What he was thinking? This they written in this poem. I will remember what I was. I am sick of rope and chain. I will remember my old strength and all my forest affairs. I will not sell my bag to man for a bundle of sugar cane. I will go out to my own kind and the wood folk in their lairs. I will go out until the morning break, out to the winds, untended keys, the waters, the clean cares. I will forget my ankle ring and snap my picket stake. I will revisit my lost loves and playmates master lace. So, what he is telling? See, one by one I will read once again one line, stanza, and then I will explain you. So, I will remember what I was. I am sick of rope and chain. So, this elephant, he just was thinking. What he was thinking? He was thinking, now I was very tired. I was very sick of this rope and chain. He was just continuously tied there. So, he was just fed up of that. Yes, so he was thinking, I am too much sick because I don't want this captivity. Yes, I will remember my old strength and all my forest affair. And he's thinking, I will remember, he can remember his old strength, how he was strong before that, and all my forest affairs. and even all his forest affairs. Forest affairs means the activities of animals in the jungle. Write down here, forest affairs. Forest affairs. So the activities of animal, the activities of animal in jungle. So what they are doing? See, he is thinking, I will just remember all those things. What he is remembering? His forest affair, how he was behaving with the other elephant in the forest. I will not sell my bag to man for a bundle of sugar cane. And he is telling, I will not sell my bag. Yes, I will not give permission to carry sugar cane or to carry man out of my or on my back, because he doesn't want anything. He wants freedom. Yes, so he was thinking, I am tired about this captivity. So I want freedom and I will not sell my bag. I will not sell my bag for any man or for bundle of sugar cane. Bundle of sugar cane means they have to carry this sugar cane on his back. Now I will go out to my own kind and the wood folk in their lairs. And he's thinking, yes, what he's thinking, I will go out of my own kind. Where I want to go, I will go there, because I don't want this master. I am fed up of that. So where this master is telling go this side, I don't want. I want freedom. I want to do myself. Yes, so I will do own kind, whatever I want, and the wood folk in their lairs. Wood folk means people who lives in the forest. So animals. So he want, see, in the case of animal, so the people who are living in the forest, he want to go there. In their lairs means home of animals. Yes, his house. He want to go away from from anywhere and to his home. Here I will write wood folk. Wood folk means what here? Yes, people who live in the forest. Who live in the forest. So this an elephant want to go on his own way. Yes, and here one more word is there, lairs. Lairs means, you can write down here, home of animals. Home of animals. So he want to go there. Yes, he want to go there. So as per his thinking, he want to go anywhere from his own way, own kind. Next stanza. I will go out until the day, until the morning break. And he's thinking, I want to go. Yes, until the day. Until the day means whole night. And until the morning breaks, then whole night, whole day, he want to go. He want to walk. Yes, out to the winds, untended keys, the water's clean cares. And out to the wind. So in this wind, out to this wind, and untended kiss means what here? Means the feel of pure and clean air. I'll write here. Untended. Untended kiss means feel. It is the feel of pure and fresh air. Pure and fresh air. So this elephant want to go into this wind. Yes, out to the wind. He wanted to take air. He wanted to. He was thinking just this air, free air, has to come and touch to my face. Means it was untainted kiss. And the water's clean cares. Water's clean cares means to touch of the clean water. The touch of the clean water. I'll write here. Clean cares. Clean cares means touch of the pure water. Touch of clean water. So he want to take the feelings. Yes, he want to enjoy the wind, even the wind is flowing, free wind, even this pure and clean water. He want to do such a thing. He want to enjoy those things. Next, I will forget my ankle ring and snap my picket stake. So I want to forget. Okay, he will forget all the ankle ring. See, ankle ring, which is around his ankle. This ring, he want to just forgot it. He just want to forget it, and he want to and snap my picket stake. Snap means what here? He want to break it. I'll write here. Snap. He want to break it. Snap. Snap means break. He want to forgot this chain, ankle chain, and even he want to break it. And my picket stake. Picket stake means a wooden post to which animal are tied. Even here, this picket, see, this wooden. Yes, where these animals are tying. So here write down picket stake. See, wooden post to which animal tied. Animals are tied. So he want to forgot all those things. Okay, ankle chain, even he want to break it, even he want to just forgot this here, wooden, this bamboo. Okay. And next, I will revisit my lost loves and playmates master lace. And even finally, what he want to do? I will revisit. Revisit means once again I will visit to my lost loves. Lost loves means his family, his friends, all, and even playmates to whom he was with whom he was playing without master lace. Means playmates masterless. Masterless means without master. He don't want a master. He don't want any trainer. So masterless, free from a human owner. Masterless, free from a human owner. So he don't want that master. Yes, he want to go alone. He want to enjoy his life. He want to enjoy his freedom, and he want to enjoy all those things which are in nature. So he was fed up. He was just tired about this binding and about this captivity. Okay, see, I will write here. Captivity means, see, he is tied wholly. Okay, so these all things he want to freedom from this bondage. This elephant want to freedom from this bondage. Hope you all understood this poem. Once again I will read it. See, I will remember what I was. I am sick of rope and chain. I will remember my old strength and all my forest affairs. I will not sell my bag to man for a bundle of sugar cane. I will go out to my own kind and the wood folk in their lairs. I will go out until the morning break, out to the wind's untainted kiss, the water's clean cares. I will forget my ankle ring and snap my picket stake. I will revisit my lost loves and playmates master lace. So he want to meet his friend, his family without master. Got it? He want only freedom. He was thinking while when he was in captivity, he was thinking all those things. He was just thinking all those things. Yes, he wanted freedom. Got it? So this is very nice poem. So we don't know. Yes, why? Here elephant, they are, means we like these animals, but we don't know their condition, their life, how they have to go from this painful journey. We don't know. So we have to respect them also. Got it? So thank you. Watch this video, and difficult words you have to write down with its meaning. Okay, till take care. Thank you. Have a nice day.